Powerful mantras for life. Self-respect. I like myself. I am okay. I'm not better than other people. They are fine too. But I am a good person and I like myself. In all situations, I start by being myself. I perform best when I can be myself. I can be me and nobody else will mind. In fact, no one is going to stop their courage to look at me. And if they do, that's up to them. I will continue to be me, both at my work and in my personal life. I am proud to be me. No one else can push me into the not okay box. I decide whether I am okay or not. And if I made a mistake, it does not mean I am a bad person. I am still okay. I will decide if I need to change or not. Confidence. I am confident that the future is going to be fine. The upcoming talk or any client meeting is going to go really well. There is no need to worry. I know my subject. I have prepared well and I am ready. I am a calm under pressure. I always know what to say. My brain works super fast if I need it to. I am on top of my game. Control. I am in control of how I think, feel and how I behave. I don't blame others, people for what's going on in my life because I know that only I can change the situation. I am responsible for everything I do and everything that happens to me. We teach people how to treat us. I have the power to make the best of my circumstances and to create positive changes in my life. I can do anything what I want to do and I can learn anything what I want to learn. Assertiveness. I have the right to feel however I want to feel. I like some things, I don't like other things, and that's up to me. I don't have to justify how I feel. Others can feel or say whatever they want, and that's fine. It does not affect what I believe or how I feel. I don't need to change them, and they have no right to try to change me. I am free to be me, and it's never too late to go back. So if someone does something I'm not happy with it, I can think about it. I can make a plan and I can go back to them and tell them how I feel. Tell them what I would like them to do differently next time. It's never too late to go back. Optimism. I am positive in every situation and with every person. If the situation is difficult, I am positive. If I am with a person who is negative, I remain positive. Being positive makes me feel better. It helps other people and it makes better things happen. It's often the only way to get a good outcome. There is always something positive to be gained from any difficult situation. In any situation, I always see the possibilities. Luck. I am lucky. Things just naturally work out for me. I set the goals and I do the work and then the right things happens to me. Luck goes in my favor. If I expect things to work out for me, then they do. I notice opportunities and I take them when they come along. Resilience. I like a challenge. Life would be boring if we didn't have the occasional difficult patch. Every hardship will pass, nothing lasts forever. 5 years from now, this won't matter and everything is for a reason. I will get through it. I will learn from it. I will move on from it. Stronger and wiser. What does not kill you makes you stronger. It's all part of the experience. One day, I will look back and laugh. Purpose. I choose my life. I have clear goals and they happen. My life can be whatever I want it to be. and it will go wherever I want it to go. I like having projects to work on and a feeling of progress towards my goal. My future is going to be great. My life is going to get better and better. I can solve any problem. I am creative. I put the question out there and the answer will come. I can leave it to my subconscious and it will come up with an answer, maybe overnight or maybe tomorrow. It may take a few days, but the answer will come surely. There is always an answer. It's only a matter of time before I find it. Happiness. I am a naturally happy person. I focus on the good things in every situation. I focus on the good aspects of other people. I see the best in others. I like other people and everyone likes me. I spread joy to people. I make them happy. That makes me happy as well. I am not jealous of other people's life. I am content with my life. I have goals and plans for the future, but I am already happy with how my life is right now. My house is fine, my friends are great, my life is good. Other people can live different lives, that's up to them. I am happy with my life. Action. I never put things off. I am a do it now person. I find it easy to make decision. I trust myself to make the right decision. I like finishing off loose ends. I have nothing that I am putting off because I don't like things hanging over me. So I get things done and finish soon. I love the feeling of having nothing waiting to be done. Efficiency. I have plan ahead. I like to have a plan. I write everything down so I never forget anything. I check my diary every day so I am never late. I always keep promises. If I say I will do something, I will make sure I will do it. Effort. I work hard and I do my best at everything. I do at work and in my personal life. Maybe I can't do something as well as other people can, but I am fine with that. All I can do is my best. If people feel that my best is not enough for them, then that's their problem. I am proud of what I do and I am happy with what I do, what I have done, what I am doing. I work hard. I do my best at everything, whatever I do. Energy. I am strong. I feel an inner power. I have the energy to do anything. I can do anything if I want to. I am never lazy. I get things done and I never feel tired. Physically, I feel great. I radiate health and power. I sleep well. I fall asleep very fast and I sleep soundly and I wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the another day. Inner calm, patience. I am patient. I don't mind waiting. I like a chance to think. I am in control of my own thoughts, so I can switch off my impatience if I want to. When there is a delay or a queue, I remain calm and use the time productivity. I am calm. Nothing makes me angry. It all passes. It's a test. If someone behaves badly towards me, then it's their problem, not my problem. They have issues or they are having a bad day. I am just observing their behavior, detached. Nobody can make me angry. I will decide that. I am in control of whether I get angry or not. I know that anger is pointless. It does not help me or the situation. So I choose to remain calm instead. Gratitude. I appreciate every moment. I notice the good things. I am grateful for my life. It's full of great things. All the little things. Family, nature, colors, music, sunshine, food, animal, friends. So many good reasons to be alive. I make sure I don't take anything for granted. My health, my family, my friends, my work, my house, my security. I give thanks for these things regularly and I am constantly aware that I am fortunate. Acceptance. I accept the things that I can't change something. The world is not perfect. Other people are not perfect. I am not perfect, but I can make the best of what I have. I don't need to try to change everything. It's not worth getting upset about things I can't change. I will work on the things I can change. I can still make a difference. In fact, I can make a big difference by being the best I can and doing the best work I can do. I will change the things I can and the things I want to change, and I will accept the things that I can't change. Letting go. I look forwards rather than backwards. I have let go of the past. I have no guilt, no regrets. I try to make the best decision I can with the information I have. I do my best to do right things by other people. Not every decision will be correct. I learn from my mistakes and they move on. If I make mistakes, it does not mean I am a bad person. Mistakes will always happen. I have learned from it and then forgotten the bad things in the past. Other people make mistake. Maybe they meant well at that time. Maybe they had their reasons, but it does not